Hello! In front of me I have XIAOMI Watch S1 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, simply press the upper button. After you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down until you find the vibration option, right here, and now tap on it. And here we have the list of intensities, rather, not durations. And we have strong and default. Select the one you like and then tap on the check mark to confirm, then tap the check mark to confirm. And that's how you change the vibration intensity on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.